We will be studying about the chapter under 5 main heads. Number 1 is land is fixed. We know that land is fixed everywhere. We can't increase land. The area of land we can't increase, but the area of farming definitely we can do. But the main problem lies in Palampur, that the land is fixed and farmer there are constrained in raising farm production under the fixed land area, were not are, before 1960. But since 1960 in Palampur, there has been no expansion in land under cultivation. By them, some of the wasteland in the villages had been converted to cultivable land. Means till 1960, only some of the land which was waste, people have converted that waste land into a cultivable land. So there was no scope to increase the farm production. They could not bring new land under cultivation. So the increase in the farm production is of no question there. Here you will be seeing that the measuring unit of land is hectare, and 1 hectare equals to the area of square with one side measuring 100 meters. That you have to learn. Now second head is there a way one cake can grow more from the same land? If I ask you, and as we have already studied, that land is fixed. So how can we increase the production on the same piece of land? Students, you might have studied about the different seasons of the crop, and these different seasons are Kharif season, Rabi season and Zaid season. Now the people of Palampur are not leaving their land idle. They are growing 3 crops in a year. During the rainy season, farmer grow jowar and bajra, and in winter season, between October and December, they grow potato. And that crop grown in the winter season is known as the Rabi crop. And they grow sugarcane as well on a small piece of land. And they make jaggery out of that sugarcane and sell that in the Shahpur. Now, we know that water is the most essential thing that is required to grow plant, and watering the plant is known as the irrigation process. Farmers are able to grow crops 3 times a year only because they have well developed system of irrigation. And if they have well developed system of irrigation, it means they have electricity also in the village. And this is the reason they are using wells and tube wells to draw out the water to irrigate their field. Now, as the electricity is there, this electricity provide them facility to irrigate the fields. Now, by mid 1970s, the entire cultivated area, that is 200 hectares, it was irrigated. But we know that there are so many villages which do not have these type of facilities. They are devoid of these facilities, so they have to depend on rainfall even today for the crops to grow. Now we come to the next part, that is what is multiple cropping. To grow more than one crop on a piece of land during the year is known as the multiple cropping, and it is the most common way of increasing production on a given piece of land. Multiple cropping means growing 2 to 3 crops in a year. As we have already seen, number 1 is Kharif, number 2 is Rabi, and the number 3 is Zaid. Now you can see the crops that the farmer of Palampur grow, that is wheat, bajra, sugarcane and potato. Now, a small piece of a land they are growing sugarcane, bajra, they are going as the Kharif crop, and potato and wheat in the Rabi crop. October to December they are growing potato and then they are going wheat on the same piece of land. Now there are some questions to be discussed. You have to plot the land under cultivation in million hectares, and you have to discuss all that in the class. Now I will end my video here.